Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Field Day. I'm Miss Rudd, and I teach at the New Park Road School. Go Mustangs!
How's it going, everybody? Two-time defending laundry champion, Mr. Green, and I teach phys ed over at Hillside Grade School.
Two-time defending nothing. Nick Mercurio, GCP Eagle, Skylar, I miss you. We're going to win, GCP. Don't worry about it.
Hey, everybody. It's Mr. V, teach at Hillside and Road School, and it's time to show everybody who the real champ is.
Hey, everybody. It's Mr. Santos from Manor Oaks, and this mom of twins has got this laundry challenge down pat. You guys are going down. So, kids, today is field day. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a challenge. You're going to pick 5 of your favorite challenges. You could do it with a sibling, a friend over a video call, just like we're doing, or against a parent, or just by yourself for fun. Don't forget to send us your pictures. All right. Ready when you are, Mr. Green.
She's very bossy.
All right. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Kids, we have 10 pieces of laundry each, and we're folding them as fast as we can. Whoever finishes folding them the fastest wins the game.
Miss Rudd has 6.
I have an extra shirt.
Mr. Mercurio?
What?
Are those regulation size clothes over there? What do we got?
Always.
My 3-year-old's clothes.
Guess what, boys and girls? Road School wins!
No. 35 seconds.
35?
How does she do
That's
that?
a record.
It's all folded.
Miss Rudd, you're coming over my house and folding my laundry.
Come on, baby. Hold on.
Oh, Nick, then
I'll give it to I'll give it to Mr. V. I'll give it to Mr. V.
Time.
All right, that was
Still
great.
folding? Oh my goodness.
We're some good folders over here. All right, kids, let's see what you got.
Have a good day.
have a good one. We miss you.
Bye.
No.
Have fun, everybody.
Go Road School!